Let me ask you something. If I told you that two people started their careers at the exact same time, earning the exact same salary, but 5 years later, one of them had built real, meaningful wealth, while the other was still living paycheck to paycheck, what would you assume was different about them? Better investments, a lucky stock pick, some secret strategy they found online? Here's what's actually wild. In most cases, the difference wasn't what they invested in. It was something much simpler, much quieter, and honestly, a little uncomfortable to hear. But we'll get to that. Because today, we're talking about how to actually build wealth in 5 years. Not the fantasy version, not invest in crypto and retire at 28. The real version, the version that actually works, and more importantly, the version that explains why most people never even get started. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to see money completely differently. Here's the story most of us are told about wealth. Work hard, save money, invest early, and someday you'll be rich. Simple, right? So why is it that most people who know this advice still aren't building wealth? Think about someone. Maybe it's you, maybe it's someone you know, who has read the books, watched the videos, knows what a mutual fund is, knows they should be saving more, and still, at the end of every month, there's nothing left to invest. This isn't a knowledge problem, it's a behavior problem. And here's the psychology behind it. Our brains are wired for the present. Spending 500 rupees on dinner tonight feels real. Investing 500 rupees for 20 years from now feels abstract, distant, almost fake. So we delay. We say, I'll start next month. Next month becomes next year. Next year becomes, I wish I had started 5 years ago. Sound familiar? The cruel irony is that the longer you wait, the harder it gets. Not just financially, but psychologically. Because the longer you delay, the more the goal feels out of reach. And the more it feels out of reach, the easier it is to give up entirely. That's the trap. And most people never even realize they're in it. So what does building real wealth in 5 years actually look like? Let's break it down, and let's be honest about it. The first thing you need to understand is this. 5 years is not enough time to get rich, but it is absolutely enough time to change your financial trajectory forever. Think of it like turning a ship. A massive ship doesn't change direction instantly, but a small, consistent turn, maintained over time, puts you in a completely different ocean 5 years later. Here's how the turn actually happens. Step 1. Stop the financial bleeding. Before you invest a single rupee, you need to look at where your money is going. Specifically, debt. Not all debt is equal. A home loan at 8% is very different from a credit card balance at 36%. High-interest debt is the enemy of wealth. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a giant hole at the bottom. No matter how much you pour in, you'll never get ahead. So year 1, aggressive debt elimination. Every extra rupee goes toward killing high-interest obligations. This isn't glamorous. It doesn't make for a great Instagram post. But it is the foundation without which everything else fails. Step 2, build your safety net. Here's something most people skip, and then they pay dearly for it later. Imagine you've been investing for 8 months. You're proud of yourself, you're consistent. Then your car breaks down, or there's a medical expense, or you lose your job. And suddenly, you're forced to pull out your investments, probably at the worst possible time, just to survive. Without an emergency fund, investing is just borrowing from your future self. 3 to 6 months of expenses, kept somewhere accessible, like a liquid mutual fund, is not optional. It's the wall that protects everything you're building. Step 3, make your money move before you touch it. Here's a psychological trick that genuinely changes lives. Most people follow this order: earn, spend, then save whatever's left. The wealthy follow a different order. Earn, save and invest first, then spend whatever's left. It sounds like the same thing. It is completely different in practice. Set up automatic SIPs, systematic investment plans, that trigger the day your salary hits your account. Not after you've paid for dinner, not after the weekend trip, not after the new phone. Before any of that. Automatically. When your brain never sees that money as available to spend, it stops fighting you. You simply learn to live on what remains. It's not discipline, it's design. Step 4. Invest simply and consistently. Now, here's where people overcomplicate things. They spend months researching the perfect portfolio, comparing 47 different mutual funds, trying to time the market, waiting for the right moment. Meanwhile, someone else just started a simple SIP and a Nifty 50 index fund and never looked back. Here's a simple illustration. If you invest $10,000 every month for 5 years at a 12% annual return, you end up with approximately 8.2 lakhs. That's not life-changing money on its own, but it's real money, built by someone who earns a regular salary and just started. Scale that to $25,000 a month, you're looking at over 20 lakhs in 5 years. The math isn't magic, it's just consistency meeting time. Step 5, and this one is the most underrated lever in this entire video. Increase your income. No investment strategy in the world beats simply earning more and investing the difference. A 20% salary increase, a freelance project on weekends, monetizing a skill you already have. Every additional 10,000 rupees per month that gets invested rather than spent adds roughly 8 to 10 lakhs to your 5-year outcome. The people who build the most wealth in 5 years aren't just cutting expenses. They're aggressively expanding what comes in. Now, here's the deeper idea I want you to sit with. We treat wealth like it's a destination, a number we reach someday. And because it feels far away, we treat it like something we'll deal with later. But wealth isn't a destination. It's a direction. Every financial decision you make today is either pointing you toward it or away from it. There's no neutral. The 500 rupees you spend on something you don't really need, that's a direction. The 500 rupees you automated into an index fund, also a direction. Now, here's the psychological insight that ties everything together. Humans are terrible at imagining their future selves. Studies in behavioral economics show that when people think about themselves 10 or 20 years from now, the part of the brain that activates is the same part that activates when thinking about a stranger. Not yourself, a stranger. That's why saving for the future feels like a sacrifice for someone you don't even know. But what if you flipped the script? So what do you actually do with all of this? Here's your 5-year wealth-building blueprint, distilled into 5 actions. 1. List every debt you have and its interest rate. Anything above 12%? Attack it first, aggressively. 2. Open a separate savings account and build 3 months of expenses in it. Don't touch it. This is your financial immune system. 3. Set up one automatic SIP, even $5,000 to start, in a broad market index fund. Let it run. Stop checking it every week. 4. Every time your income increases, commit to investing at least half of that increase. Let your lifestyle grow slowly while your wealth grows fast. Find one way, just one, to add income outside your main job. A skill, a service, a side project. Even 5,000 rupees extra per month, invested consistently, changes your 5-year outcome dramatically. None of this is complex. All of it requires commitment. And that's the point.
Welcome to the Asset Avenue Club. Join us now and start growing your wealth today.